Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to change name in Frollo application. First of all, find and open Frollo application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After logging into your account, you need to click on the profile icon, which is at the top left corner of your screen. After that, click on the name tab here. Now delete your previous name and click on the next button here. After that, type in your last name here and again click on the next button. After that, you can see that your name has been changed successfully. So that is how you can change your name on Frollo application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.